done, guys. Well done.
That was absolutely amazing, and I'm really impressed. If this is a cross section of the future of Scotland, then I'm in. This is going to be a most amazing country, and we need to rebuild through all your skills. So I hand off with the team. Just saying goodbye, and I don't know what to say, Merry Christmas or Happy Christmas or whatever. So, Gary,
Yep. Thank you, guys. Well done, everyone, for participating. And remember, it's not about winning, it's the taking part that counts. Don't you hate when you hear that phrase if you're a loser? But, guys, well done, everyone. Everyone deserved a round of applause again. Well done. You all did fantastic. Thank you very much for joining us today. We hope you've enjoyed it. And if you did, remember, I've been Gary, we've had Bill, we've had Dia, and the rest of the team. If you didn't, then don't ever connect with us on social media. We don't want to know. Okay.
Dia.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was absolutely amazing to see the participation. And yes, whether you won or not, I do think participation does matter, and it matters a great deal. So thank you for participating. Thank you for listening to the lectures. And like Bill, I'm very, very hopeful because this was amazing. Thank you very much, and Merry Christmas.
And Kira.
Just want to say Happy Christmas, everybody, and thanks for joining. It was really good fun. I certainly enjoyed listening to our speakers, so hopefully you all did too.
And Basil.
Merry Christmas to everyone from me. It was great to work with this amazing team and have all of you here. By our count, by the end of the day, we'll have more than 4,000 students and teachers joining us from around Scotland. So that will be a new record, and hopefully next year it's going to be a much larger number. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to everyone.
And Elaine from Virgin Money. Elaine.
Hi everyone, I'm delighted to be able to sponsor one of the prizes today from Virgin Money, so thank you very much for that opportunity. Well done to everybody who's won a prize, and thank you everybody for your participation, and thanks to everybody who's spoken today as well. It's been really great. Thank you.
And last but definitely not least, someone who's just got an amazing new job. It's the amazing. Can everyone in the panel just give a round of applause to the amazing, fantastic Marissa?
Oh, thank you. Totally not needed. It's been a big team effort. I'm delighted with some of the feedback that we've got coming in from teachers, and that's what it's all about.
Good.
Somebody has actually said, my class really enjoyed it. Hopefully you will keep an online component for next year too.
Yeah.
And I think that's huge praise indeed, because these events are really hard to do virtually, and that just shows how well you've all participated. I'm delighted with that feedback. Thank you, and Merry Christmas to you all when it comes.
That's great. Thank you to all the sponsors. Thank you for Cisco. But the most important thing is that please listen to your teachers. Teachers are the best people in the world, and they do an amazing, fantastic job. And really, they'll tell you everything. Just make sure that you learn and you have an amazing opportunity. You live in the most beautiful country in the world and the most educated country on the planet. So make sure that you fix what we've built because it's got problems. To leave on a negative note, but have an amazing Christmas, and really our world will come alive again, and you'll be the leaders of our future. Thank you. Okay, now you can go away and have fun.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Merry Christmas.
Bye-bye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.